Hi guys, welcome back to another video on our channel 1 2 Step. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download CapCut on your laptops or PC without having to use Blustacks. So if this sounds helpful, then keep watching this video till the end and subscribe to this channel if you are new, and let's get straight into the video. You no longer need to add Blustacks to download CapCut on your PC. You can simply download it from their official website. To do that, head over to a web browser and then in the search bar type in CapCut.com. As soon as you hit enter, you will be directed to the official website of CapCut, which will look something like this. Now on the screen you can see an option for download for Windows. You can simply tap on download for Windows and tap on download. As soon as you do that, the application will start to download on your device. After the application has been downloaded, you can now simply install it in your device and you will be good to go. There you go, you're all done and you can start editing your videos on CapCut.